Hello everybody, hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. As promised, I'm back with another video and this video is about Jain University in Bangalore. Like my previous videos where I was telling you about all the colleges that have opened up their application forms, Jain University in Bangalore is one among such universities that has already opened up its application form. In this video, we will be discussing a little bit about Jain University, about the admission process and few of the things that you need to keep in mind before you actually start going on to apply at Jain University. But before I get started, you guys know the drill. In case if you're new to my channel, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you guys do not miss out on any of the latest videos that I make. Like I said, I'm going to be the best college mentor that you all can have, and my channel is going to have all the very authentic information about each and every college that you people dream of getting into. Okay, so yes, without a doubt, let's get started. So guys, Jain University is very well renowned across India and more specifically in Bangalore and Karnataka. They are offering variety of courses across various streams. I will be discussing about the courses further, and at the same time they have multiple campuses across. Naturally, last year as well, I made tons of videos on Jain University because that is what students were demanding. So I have an honest student video where I've talked to the current students of Jain University. I've done a campus tour for their Kanakpura campus. I've also talked to people in Jain Jayanagar campus and done a campus tour for that as well. Okay, at the same time, I have made descriptive videos about various and different types of BBA, BMS, BCom courses at Jain. So make sure you please go check out my playlist of Jain University. Now we are in 2023 and yes, Jain University has opened up its application forms for the year. MBA application forms are already out and so are the UG application forms. One of the most important things that you need to keep in mind about their MBA program is this, what you can see on my screen here. They accept all competitive exams, so whether it's an NMAT, CAT, GMAT, CMAT, EXAT, all of them are there, and they have also mentioned the minimum score or percentile that you need in order to be eligible to apply. So please take a note of that. If you want, you can even take a screenshot of this. I will also be putting down the link in the description below of this, so in case you want to check it out later, you could do that. At the same time, after this, you have an interview and a group discussion with the members and the panel of Jain University. So yeah, that is about NBA. So Jain University is very well recognized and ranked. They have NAC ratings, NBA credit accreditations, NIRF rankings. That's where it stood 79th in India. And then you have the Careers 360, 4 times A plus rating for the year 2022. Okay, so all of those things are taken care of. They have some prominent collaborations. The campus is great. You can go check out my campus tour videos for that. Now moving to the programs that are being offered by Jain University. As you can see on my screen, they have various departments. Allied Healthcare and Sciences is one such department. Commerce is another. Design is another. You have Engineering and Technology. Then you have PhD programs. Management, where all the BBA related courses are there, and even the MBA courses. They have language related courses. Humanities and Social Sciences is there. Postdoctoral is there. Sciences are there. So all of these are the branches under which each of the courses are there. So naturally, if you want to go research more about, like say for design, let's just click on know more, and here we will have all the details of the design courses that they have. So now all the design courses here are 4-year courses. Bachelor's of Design, there's an Industrial Design, Communication and Media Design, Lifestyle Products and Accessory Design. For Bachelor's of Arts, which is a 3-year course, there is Fashion Design, Film and Media Design, Communication Design, which has animation, visual effects, game art and design. So a lot of these things. By the way, I've taken a tour of their animation lab, which is pretty fab. They have BSc courses. All of those are there, and likewise you can click on the apply button and get started. All in all, I mean 2022 or 2020 to 2021, they had about 6,700 students that were admitted in that year. Okay, so out of which 5,100 for UG and 1,600 were for PG. And here is where they hire, or where they get the maximum number of UG and PG students. That is management. That has 27.2% of the latest intake. So naturally, then you get to know how is the university very well demanded and which courses of the university are very well demanded, and very popular. So management is definitely one for Jain University. They have 27.2% intake there. And management here includes BBA, BMS and MBA related courses, so all of them in the CMS branch. Okay, engineering is 19.77%. Sciences is another. Oh, in fact, it even beats the management. That is at 28.81%. Then there is commerce, which has BCom related courses at 15.87%. and Humanities and Social Sciences, which is at 7.41%. So you guys know which all of the courses are very famous of Jain and which are not. Male-female ratio is 56.5 is male and 43.5 is female, and you can find all of these things on the university's website, so you could go ahead with that. Now apply to Jain, like how to apply, you have for UG and PG. Let me just click on UG to show you guys the eligibility criteria. All of those details will be mentioned. By the way guys, JET, which is Jain Entrance Test, is the test that you have to give to get into any of the UG programs. You have to check about the eligibility criteria, various programs, selection procedure. Like I said, I'll zoom it in. They have a written test, a group discussion, and a personal interview in order for you to get admission at Jain University. Likewise, you can just click on this apply now button and get started with making your own dashboard and all that. I've also made a detailed video of how you need to apply at Jain University, so you could go check it up. The word of caution, the only word of caution that I have is just like any other private university, Jain is also a private university, which means the moment that you fill in your form, there will be an entrance test that will be scheduled, and then there'll be a personal interview that will be scheduled, and immediately within a few days you will come to know whether you have been selected or you have been rejected. Majority of the people actually make it through, and specifically the times right now that we are in, because they're just starting with the admission process, so it's high likely that you will get a seat here. Now the only little thing is that the moment you get an admission seat here, they would ask you to pay your fees to reserve the seat, which is very normal and general. But then your flexibility to applying to other colleges and all of that can reduce down. So guys, please take a call accordingly. At the same time, you can see me for the personal guidance and doubt clearing session in terms of getting to know a review about any of the particular courses, shortlisting colleges for you, looking at various colleges that we can apply. At the same time, if you have already applied and are looking into prepare for interviews, you have my interview preparation 101, wherein you can I can prepare you and take a mock for you of how the Jain University conducts its interviews, and that will surely help you. So yes guys, that's about it for this particular video. If you have any doubts, questions, queries, make sure you comment below, reach me to my personal guidance and doubt clearing session, and do not forget to share my channel with your friends, family members, and do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you soon in another video. Take care guys. Bye bye.